Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Chanakya. How are you? Chanakya, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, am I?
Yeah, you are actually. You are audible. You're saying something, Chanakya, then you have to unmute yourself. If you're saying something to me.
I'm not telling to you, ma'am. I'm telling to
Okay.
my mother.
Okay. I thought you were saying something to me. Okay, no problem. So, Chanakya, yesterday we have actually, completed the balanced diet. And today onwards, we have actually started the diseases. Okay. We have discussed what do you mean by diseases. And today, the different types of diseases we will be discussing. Okay. So let them join and then we will
Okay.
be starting that.
Food and hygiene. Ma'am, we are going to start with the food and hygiene, right?
Correct. Food we have completed. Now we are on the hygiene, which basically include the diseases. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Good evening, Advait and Advik.
Good evening, ma'am.
I have received the homework from Advait. What about Advik to you?
Ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, tomorrow are we
Yes,
going to
Advik, what
also
about your
learn about...
homework?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah,
yesterday,
I think some voice is breaking. Chiranji, come again because your voice was breaking.
ma'am,
Tell me.
yesterday I didn't join the class, ma'am, so I watched the recording, ma'am. It is already uploading on my.
Advik, Panchula, Advik Singh and Advait, please turn on your video. All should turn on the video, children. Advik Singh, Advik Panchula, turn on your video. Okay. So, Advik, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. And what about your homework?
Ma'am, I
Yes,
forgot to write, ma'am.
you should not forget it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You have sent me, you have shared me the notes, very good. But also, you should share the homework, okay? So, today, after the class, you should do your homework first of all. All right, Advik?
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Advik Singh, what about your homework?
Ma'am, I have sent it.
Send it soon. I have got it from Advik Singh, very good. So, handwriting, children, you need to work a lot because when you write, actually, you are not writing, you are scribbling.
Bring my
So, you should
phone.
not write very fast. Okay. So,
Ma'am,
let him come back. Yeah, tell me.
ma'am, I have something sent you on the WhatsApp.
What you have shared me on the WhatsApp.
Ma'am, is that the question?
Uh, no, no, no. No,
Ma'am, then I can't find it over here.
no problem. I'll share you maybe after the class, okay? I'll share you after the class. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Advik, I have got it. Okay. Where is Advik Panchukla? Advik, come fast. I hope you all are sitting with your copy, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Advik, what do you mean by diseases? What do you mean by diseases? Advik and Advik, turn on your video. Advik, what we have yesterday what we have read in the class, Advik?
Mummy?
No, Advik Panchukla will be telling me. Advik, what we studied yesterday in the class?
Ma'am, water.
Very good.
Subject.
Water then?
Diseases.
Very good. Okay. What do you mean by diseases?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait, Chiranji. Let him say. Let him try.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we will get cold and cough, ma'am.
Okay. Then what do you
Can
feel? How
Ma'am, can
do
I?
you feel when you get diseases?
Ma'am, sometimes we. Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait. Let him try. Okay, Chiranji.
Okay, ma'am.
So, Advik Panchula, diseases basically it is a condition where we feel uncomfortable. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Say again what I said. Say it again. It is a condition when our body feels uncomfortable. Say,
It is condition
Hmm. It is a condition, yes.
where
We feel.
we feel
F-E-E-L. We feel uncomfortable. Okay. Yeah, Chanjay, what you were saying, tell me. Okay. So I think we should start now with the next topic.
Ma'am, hygiene? Ma'am, should we open
Diseases,
our
which
book?
includes the hygiene also. No, I
Ma'am,
don't
can
want you to open the book. Okay. So in the yesterday's class, we have discussed about the water, about the dietary fibers, about the balanced diet, and we have started to discuss about the diseases. So, a person with a disease will feel very uncomfortable. Uncomfortable means when they do not, when they do not get any kind of the relaxed position.
and ma'am,
Now, yeah,
a disease refers to any harmful deviation from the normal structural or functional state of an organism.
correct, correct. So, diseases will be causing harm in our body. They can be structural and functional. Okay, good, Chiranjit. Now, see, and hope my screen is visible.
Yes, my it is. Ma'am, you are at the notepad.
Okay, so I think the network problem was there.
Ma'am, I became the host again.
Okay, I think the network problem was there. That's the reason. Okay, so type of diseases we will be
your screen is
discussing.
not visible.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
Yes,
Okay, let me share again then.
Yes,
Now is
ma'am.
it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will be discussing about types of diseases.
ma'am.
So they are, yeah,
For me, it is
yes.
coming, ma'am.
What, Advik?
Ma'am, your screen is not visible, ma'am.
Okay, let me try again why it is not visible.
Ma'am, now it is.
Now is it visible, Advik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So types of diseases, there are four types of diseases. Communicable,
Communicable diseases
COMM,
and non-communicable diseases.
correct, communicable. So
Ma'am,
COMMUNICABLE, communicable
No.
diseases and non-communicable,
Diseases.
very good, diseases. So two main types are there, communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. Now, we will be discussing first of all about the communicable diseases. Now, what happened in this diseases? For example, any person is here, okay? Any person is standing here. If this person has any kind of disease, might be cold, cough, or fever, then what happened? Anyone who goes close to this person, then they also will get what? They also will get that disease. Fine. So, if any person is there, he has or she has the cold, and if any other person goes near to that person, then they also will get that disease. So such type of diseases are called as communicable diseases.
Ma-
So
Ma'am,
communicable diseases are those diseases which spreads from one person to one person to another person. So in this, it will be transferred or it will get spread from one person to another person, or it spreads from
ma'am, ma'am, ma'am.
Mom is not here in the class.
No, she's here.
I think again I was logged out.
So,
Is my screen visible now?
ma'am, your camera is turned
No, ma'am.
off.
No, ma'am.
Today actually here it's raining heavily. I guess that's the reason.
Yes, ma'am.
Now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So communicable diseases are those diseases which spread from one person to another person, or it spreads from unhealthy person to healthy person to healthy person. So
Ma'am,
from one person to, yeah, tell me.
communicable diseases like ringworm, polio, and typhoid. Um,
Correct. They will be transferring from one person to the other person. Correct. Now, each one of you should tell me one example of it.
ma'am, can I
Chanakya,
tell?
you said typhoid. Advik, Advik, tell me the example now. One more example. Communicable disease.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Advik Singh, tell me the communicable disease. Any example?
Ma'am, cold.
Okay, cool. Advik, tell me one more example of communicable diseases.
Malaria. Fever, ma'am.
Very good. Advik, Singh, one more example of communicable diseases.
Malaria.
Okay, malaria. So see, what happens in all these, whatever the example
Dengue.
you have, dengue, okay, dengue, very good. So in all these conditions, what happen? It will be spreading from one person to the other person. Whereas if I talk about non-communicable diseases,
The diseases that do not spread from one person to another are called non-communicable diseases. Ma'am, it's
yes,
the
correct,
opposite. It's the
correct.
opposite.
Just the opposite of communicable disease. Very good, Chiranjay. So those diseases which does not spread from
From
one person. Yeah, tell me, Advait.
person to another person.
Yeah, and then after that,
Ma, some examples are night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, rickets, goit,
Goiter, goiter,
goit,
Very good. Yes. Yes, Shiranja. Yes, Atvik.
anemia,
Both are correct. Correct. Correct.
marasmus, mara,
Correct.
ma'am, sorry, wait a minute.
So those diseases which does not spread from one person to another person, or it does not spread from unhealthy
Ma'am,
person to healthy person. So that diseases are called as the communicable, non-communicable diseases. So
yes,
example, night blindness. So night blindness does not spread. Then goiter. Goiter also does not spread. Then anemia. Anemia
ma'am,
also does
rickets,
not
ma'am,
ricket,
spread.
rickets,
Correct. Rickets
scurvy,
also does not, scurvy also does not spread.
marasmus,
Yeah. Marasmus, kwashiorkor, they also does not.
night blindness, and
Fine. So these are some of the diseases which does not spread.
marasmus,
Yeah. Correct. Correct, Advika. I have written this marasmus here. So now just start. All the pages, write it down. From here you should write.
okay, ma'am.
Start writing from here.
type of diseases. Com-
Done, ma'am.
no,
Okay,
ma'am,
let
over.
let him also do it. Okay, okay. No problem. Do it.
How can you go to the next one?
Advik, Advik Panchagula, have you completed this one?
No, ma'am,
Do it fast.
ma'am,
Done. Advik done.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am,
Advik. Okay. Now this one you should write. Communicable diseases are those diseases which spread from one person to another person, or it spreads from unhealthy to healthy person.
Ma'am, after this we'll get more, ma'am.
After this, I will be showing you a video.
Done, ma'am. Example.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Advik, Panchkula. Done?
Done, ma'am.
Advik, Panchkula.
Ma'am, examples.
Yeah,
No,
yeah, sure. Okay, do it fast. Done, Advik?
no, ma'am. Option two. Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Okay. Now write the example.
Ma'am, plague. One of the example plague.
Flag. It is called as flag. Plague.
Tuberculosis.
Tuberculosis. TB. It is also called as TB.
You can write cough also, ma'am.
What I can write?
Cough.
Yeah, cough also we can write.
Flora. 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 Ma'am, I'm writing how much I know.
Okay, that's good actually. You can write how much ever you
Ninth,
know. There are
ninth,
so many. There are
common,
so many diseases.
common cold. Tenth,
So done with this?
No,
no.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, I am in 11th example. I know one example.
good. Hmm.
Chicken, chicken pox. Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, what about non-communicable diseases?
Yeah, I'll be showing you that also.
I'm
Done,
done.
Advik? Okay. Now
Non-communicable
write about the non-communicable diseases.
disease.
Little.
Non-communicable
Those diseases.
communicable diseases are that diseases which do spread easily examples. First example, night blindness. Night blindness. Second,
Done.
very, very. Third, scurvy. Fourth, rickets. Fifth, goitre. Sixth,
I'm done.
Advik, done.
yeah.
No, ma'am.
Done now with examples.
Okay, okay, that's good, Chanakya.
Now over here.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, write this.
And should we write more?
Oh, that's it, that's it. I will be showing you a video now.
Okay, ma'am.
Call to Ananya. Okay.
Ma'am, what do we mean by
I'm
the
done.
next word after marasmus?
Marasmus, after marasmus, there is a kwashiorkor. So kwashiorkor, basically, if we do not take protein in our body, then we will be getting the problem. We will feel so weak, we will feel so tired in that case.
Okay, ma'am.
All are done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll show you a video now. So listen to this video carefully, okay?
We eat food. Nutrients are found in different foods.
No, not this
Some
one.
nutrients provide our
Only 6 days master Vedic mathematics. Don't calculate in a slow way.
You can see the different types of food. Things like bread, carrot, grapes, fruit juice, and cucumber are obtained from plants. And things like milk, fish, eggs, curd, and cheese are obtained from animals. We should eat a variety of foods to remain healthy. In this chapter, you will learn about food and its components, balanced diet and diseases. Let us begin. Food and its components. Food contains 5 main components: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Our body needs all these components in adequate amounts to remain healthy. Now, let us learn the sources and function of the 5 main components of food.
Components of food.
Carbohydrates,
Carbohydrates,
it provide energy to the body. Bread, rice, wheat, fruits
So with
such
the
as bananas,
carbohydrate, what happened? We will be getting the energy to our body. The sources are, from do we get the carbohydrate? From the bread, rice, wheat, bananas, mangoes, sugar, potato, corn. So they all will be providing us the carbohydrates.
Okay, ma'am.
and mangoes, sugar, potato, and corn are sources of carbohydrates. Fats,
Fat.
it helps to keep the body warm. Sources are
So with the
meat,
help of the fat, our body will remain warm. And we get the fat from meat, vegetable oil, milk, butter, cheese, ghee, cream, and dry fruits.
Okay, ma'am.
vegetable oil, milk, butter, cheese, ghee, cream, dry fruits. Proteins, they are essential for growth and muscle building. Sources are chicken, fish, eggs, milk, cheese, pulses, soya bean, vitamins and minerals. They are needed in small amounts for normal functioning of the body. Fruits and vegetables, fish, eggs, milk.
So with the help of protein, our body will be able to grow and our muscle will also build. And then from where do we get protein? From chicken, fish, eggs, milk, cheese, pulses, and soya bean. Then vitamins and minerals, we need them in very small amount for the normal functioning of the body.
Okay.
Sources, fruits, vegetables, fish, eggs, and milk. So these are the 5 different components of foods.
Let us see the sources of each type of components. Sources of carbohydrates. Some sources of vitamins and minerals. Sources of proteins. And sources of fats. Water and roughage. Along with the 5 main components of food, our body also needs adequate amounts of water and roughage. Water acts as the medium for the transport of nutrients inside our body. It also allows food to pass easily through the digestive system. We should drink plenty of water and include foodstuffs containing roughage in our diet.
So water and roughage are also very important. With the help of the water and with the help of the roughage, what happens? We will be able to remove the undigested food out of the body.
Okay, ma'am.
Roughage is the undigested part of the plant food.
Ma'am.
It helps in moving the food through our digestive system and in proper removal of wastes from our body. Atta, whole wheat flour, oats, talia, corn, and cabbage are some good sources of roughage. Balanced diet. A diet that contains adequate amount of different components of food, along with roughage and water, required for the healthy functioning of our body is called a balanced diet. Our diet must include adequate amounts of different components of food for our body to be healthy. So, remember to eat food from all food groups every day. Health is a state of complete physical and mental well-being. This means both the mind and the body must be completely fit for a...
So if you are healthy through your body also, through your mind also, then we will be called as a healthy person.
Okay, ma'am.
So sometimes what happens? I am looking very good actually, but in my mind I will have so many other things also. I will have might be some problem. Then what happen in that case? I will not be healthy person. So it is important that to have the healthy life, mentally we should be fit and healthy. From our body also we should be fit and Fine. So, okay, children, any
No,
doubts?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Tomorrow we have
Children,
class, ma'am.
no, Wednesday you don't have the class. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday you have the class at 5:30.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
you are giving homework, ma'am.
Yes, I will be giving the
ma'am,
homework.
tomorrow I am going to field trip, ma'am, so I will not able to go.
Some questions I will give. Tomorrow is a holiday for you, no
Okay,
issue.
ma'am.
Okay, children, then. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Chiranji, tell me.
ma'am, we have maths class only at Thursday and Saturday, not on
Correct.
Wednesday.
No, we don't have on Wednesday now. We have on Thursday and Saturday at 5:30.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye-bye.